Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we are going to discuss the question and answers of lesson The Loyal Pet. Let me revive what has happened in the previous session. We have learned that we must give our pet the same love as we give to our family members. We have seen that pets are loving. Some pets are known to be very faithful, even risking their lives to remain so. And we must show our kindness to the animals. We have to be very sensitive towards animals. We must enjoy having pets. We should not be cruel to any pets or animals. We should understand their usefulness to man. We must always treat the pet as a part of the family and care for it. Now let us discuss the question time. Question 1. Write true or false. Siddharth didn't help the sick puppy. True or false? False. So write here false. Tuffy barked to warn Siddharth of the danger. True or false? True. So write here true. The baby's life was saved by Tuffy. True or false? True. So write here true. Siddharth did not treat Tuffy as a part of the family. True or false? It is false. So write here false. See, I have written for you here, children. You write down this true or false, okay? Match the following sentences. A column you have to match with the B column. People made fun of Siddharth, to which we will match yes for keeping a stray dog. B. Tuffy saved yes the life of the baby. Siddharth saw a sick puppy. Siddharth saw a sick puppy. Yes, which option? Lying on the road. D. Siddharth's house was on fire. So match it like this in this way. Okay, I have done for you. Come to the next page, children. Time to think. A pet is a living being and a part of the family. Loving a pet does not mean just playing with it. There is a lot more effort involved in caring for a pet. It has to be fed, cleaned, made to exercise and given attention. It is just like a child and needs looking after. Caring for a pet makes us a better person. It makes us kind, sensitive and disciplined. What pet would you like to have and why? Discuss your choice with your parents. Also discuss if it is possible for you to keep the pet of your choice. If they do not agree for certain reasons, respect their decision. What pet would you like to keep, children? This choice of the pet you have to discuss with your parents and tell them that if it is possible for you to keep the pet of your choice also. And even if they do not agree to keep a pet, then respect their decision also, okay? What caring means to a pet, and because it cannot talk in the way we humans do, we have to know what it wants and give it to the pet lovingly. We know that Pets cannot talk as we humans do. Time for reality check. Kabir has a pet dog. He takes care of it, feeds it, baths it, and keeps it clean. They play together every day. Nowadays, Kabir is busy with his exams. He doesn't have much time to play with or care for his pet. What should Kabir do? Study less and give more time to the dog? Request his family members to help him to look after his pet till his exams get over. Which option is correct, children? Yes, this option is correct. So take it. Okay. Now diary time. Write what you would do if you were in Kabir's place and why. Here you will write today's date. Today we spoke about how pets are a part of the family. If I were in Kabir's place, then you would have worked out a slot in time, means you have worked as in parts. For few hours you would have studied, you would have played, or you would have taken care of your pet. Paid attention even in short periods when taking a break from the studies. Share the work with another person for a short time. Like these ideas you would have done while taking the care of the pet during the exams. If you were in the Kabir's place. See what I have written, children. I have written here today's date. Today we spoke about how pets are a part of family. If I were in Kabir's place, I will pay attention to it. Even in short periods when taking a break, I will share my work with another person for a short time. Now come to the next page, children. Your time. Do as directed. We can learn a lot from animals, particularly dogs. They are loyal, brave, and sensitive. Do you think if we keep a stray dog as a pet, these qualities will not be there? If given a chance to have a pet, what will you do? Keep a pedigreed dog because you can show it off. Which option is correct, children? Tick that. Okay. Adopt a stray dog which needs a good home. Come to the second question, children. Pets do a lot for us. They protect us, guard our homes, and give us company. What do we give them in return? Circle the words that indicate what we give our pets. What do we give our pets? Yes, we give love. Do we give money? No, then don't circle. Companionship? Yes, we give them companionship, so circle it. Shelter? Yes, so circle it. Friendship? Yes, circle it. Books? No, we don't give books. Health? Yes, circle it. Food? Yes, circle it. Flowers, we don't give flowers to the pets, okay? See here, I have circled for you, okay? Put together. Trace the picture of Kabir and his pet to see what they are doing. Color the picture. Now, in this picture, you have to trace with your pencil the outline of this picture with your pencil. Then color it, okay, with your own choice of color, okay. And now here we have come to the end of our session. Thank you.